15 minus 650 into x upon x into x plus 15 equals to 3. Okay. Therefore, 650 into 15 equals to 3x into x plus 15. Why? How did this number come? 650 into 15. Where others gone? See here, 650 into x and 650 into x. It goes. It minus. Okay. That's why only this much remains. 650 into 15 equals to this x into x plus 15 goes on other side. So solve this now. 650 into 5. Why 5? 3 ones are 3 5s are equals to x square. This solve this x square plus 15x. Now this is again a quadratic, therefore x square plus 15x, and this on the other side 650 into 5 equals to 0. Now solve this. How to solve this? 650 x square plus 15x minus 665 into 50 equals to 0. Why did we do this 65 into 50? Here, because the difference over here is 15. We have to get addition over here, right? So 650 minus 65 minus 50 is 15, and 65 into 50 is the same as 650 into 5, because 0 here and there in multiplication doesn't make a difference. So that's why 65 and 5, these are the two numbers we have to focus. So it should be x square plus 65x minus 50x minus 65 into 50 equals to 0. Right? Now when the coefficient is 1, these numbers are directly the factors. So x plus 65 into x plus x minus 50 equals to 0. Right? Therefore x equals to minus 65 or x equals to 50. But what is this? What is x? X is number of persons. Can number of persons be negative? No. Therefore x equals to 50. Therefore number of persons equals to 50. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.